Nakapasok sa girl CR. Boss, bawal ka dito.
May ano na siya.
Boss, bawal ka dito, boss. Makita nga. Hi besties, this is Emily and welcome to my vlog. So ayan, babiyahe ako today at ito, si Cinnamoroll. So ayan, nagantay lang sa Uncle John's and later andito na yung mga friends ko. So we can get our toga here. And ito, nakuha ko na yung akin and ayun, sabay-sabay kami gagraduate. So ayan, after that, ayan, naghanap na kami ng kakainin dito. So, wala masyadong tao ngayon. This is me trying not to sleep kasi wala pa akong tulog. I really want to go to sleep. Sleep!
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time.
So, ito kami, change location na para maghanap ng pagkain with the long walk. So, after that kami siya, dito kami sa aming next location. Ito, packet na kami. And this is me, outfit check. Ito lang talaga yung pinunta ko dito, kung saan itong Zago, which is my favorite is Buko Pandan. At ito ang aking meal for today. So, this is me. Ito si Ali, nagpe-flex ang kanyang biceps. So, ginaya ko namin siya. Panis, ang laki. Parang utang ko lang no? De joke. So, after na mag-say, pumunta kami Concept District at ang daming mga anik-anik. And I saw this cutie and I really want to buy it. At nakita ko to, it's a sign for me to buy it. Hehe.
Kung tayo talaga.
Dami din sila mga blind box dito pero wala din talaga akong budget. At ang daming mga keychain and cutie na anik-anik. And of course, stickers, my favorite. I really want this keychain but I don't really have the budget for it. So ending, I just bought this Cinnamoroll sticker and this Sina X Hirono sticker. And that's all I bought for today. And thank you for watching. Bye!